Hi guys, today's video is going to be a meal prep video. This is going to be my husband's lunch for 1 week, and he is a construction worker, so I just want him to eat something healthy, something that will fill him up instead of going to a fast food place on his lunch break that costs way more than these meals and it won't stuff him at all. So what you're going to need for this is a long pan. Go ahead and cover it with some foil, and then you're going to need a small pot, and then obviously an oven, and that's pretty much your gear. Going in, I purchased all these items at Food 4 Less for real inexpensive. So I just got a box of brown rice that you can just boil. That's what we'll be putting in here. And then we got some chicken breast, and then a bag of broccoli, a bag of jalapenos, zucchini, and then red onion. And then for our seasonings, we got some ground black pepper, and then onion powder, paprika, salt, Italian seasoning, and then some extra virgin olive oil blend. So now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and dump the whole bag of broccoli onto your pan. I got little mini broccolis because they're easier to eat. And then go ahead and cut up the whole red onion. That's what I did. And then I am going to put 3 jalapenos in each container, each meal. So I just times that and then put that on the pan. And then I went ahead and cut up the cucumber. And I cut them into small circles about 1 inch thick, and then I cut them in 4s. So you're going to want to do that, and I used the whole cucumber and then put that on the pan. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of onion pepper, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and then drizzle it with some extra virgin oil. So I went ahead and put all the seasoning on top and then drizzled that oil on top of it. And then you're going to want to set your oven to 450 degrees, and you're going to want to put them in the oven for 20 minutes. Now that we got that in the oven, I went ahead and turned my burner on, and then I dumped 2 packages of the rice, and then I'm going to put, so they come in like half a cup packaging, so I put 2 of them. And then I have a little over 2 cups of water. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And then just for extra, I'm going to put pretty much half a block of butter in there. And then just a tad bit of sugar. Just maybe a little bit more. Right there. And then it says it should only take about 10 minutes. So now that's all good to go. And then the rice just finished cooking. It took a little more than 10 minutes. Almost took like 15 to 20 minutes. But that's good to go. And then I went ahead and chopped up the chicken in a different long tray. And I'm just going to go ahead and season it with the same exact seasoning I did over here. And then go ahead and put it in the oven at 450 for 20 minutes. So I just finished seasoning the chicken, and now I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. I just pulled out the chicken and they look fantastic. So now everything is cooked. Got the veggies, the rice, chicken. So now I just got to put them in the container. So these are the 4 containers that I'm going to be using today. I got these at Costco in a pack of 28. And they also have little sauce containers. And they were only $6. So we got 2 thick blue ones and then 2 thick purple ones. To get an even amount of rice, what I used is I used this big ladle, and I just did 1 cup of this ladle and put that in each container. Next, I just used some tongs and picked up the veggies and put the cucumbers first, then the onions on bottom, and the broccoli on top for each meal. And then I also put the jalapenos each on top of the rice. And there you have it. I put the chicken on top. This meal could have easily made 5 meals. As you can see, I have leftover, but I just needed 4 this week. And that is how I meal prep, guys. Thank you for watching.